What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kyusha Limit. Dougie B here, and we're doing a little mini episode for you this week. I'm actually going to be out of town when this goes live, so I'm filming ahead of time. And yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys the new car that I pulled out of storage. Bought it back in the winter time. You've probably already seen it in the picture actually, but anyways, we're going to give you a little walk around, show you what the plans are with it, and keep all of you 240Z/S30 guys happy. So there she is. It's a 1970 240Z, and so Series 1 car, as they would refer to them. Obviously this has been repainted in a super nice, it's actually a 350Z blue color. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of give you guys a bit of a look at it and let you know what the plans are with it. This is the replacement for the red car. So the entire idea when I decided to sell the red car was because I'd already purchased this car. So that's what I had to do. I had to finish the red car on the channel, obviously, and so that I could pay for this car. So yeah, this is it. It's super sick. The paint's really nice on it. Body's really good, but of course needs lots of other things. The interior needs quite a bit of work. I'll show you in a minute. These wheels gotta go. Needs some suspension love. I have wheels on order for it already. They should be in a month or two, and obviously I'll be showing you guys that on an episode as well. Yeah, just overall, it needs a lot of like cleanup. So to give you guys a bit of a run through, the interior is kind of half finished. So as you can see, there's some carpet here. The previous owner who did the paint work did Dynamat in the whole car, which is awesome, but carpets need to go back in. These are Recaro buckets out of like an Evo. They gotta go. I have acquired everything I need to redo a pair of stock Series 1 seats, or do actually a bit of a S1.5 to S1 conversion, if you want to call it. So the seats will look like they're from a Series 1, but they'll have the spring bases. We'll get into that later. But anyways, yeah, the interior needs some love. Obviously, all that heater, aircon stuff's got to go back in there. It's currently got some pretty ugly white face gauges, so we're going to get rid of those, go back to stock. Let's take you around to the other side. It's got a Datsun competition steering wheel, which I actually really like, but I just feel like with it being a Series 1 car, it really deserves to go back to its stock wheel. So we're probably gonna throw this in something else, maybe even the wagon for now. But these are super nice wheels, kind of hard, not hard to get, but you gotta order them. Yeah, and like it's got an updated fuse panel. It's got a few things down here and there. It's got Cusco strut bar on the back. Obviously needs a carpet in the back. I got brand new door panels that came with the car to go on it. Let's give you guys a look under the hood. Kind of show this off to you. Still dirty, but maybe from this side a little bit better. There you have it. So it's a stock 2.4 liter. It's running triple 40s. These are actually Reed Morel carbs, so they're like a knockoff of a Weber. I didn't know that much about them, / not really sure how I feel about them. But I should, this wind going here, I'm just gonna actually put the prop in. There we go. Yeah, not sure how I feel about these triples. I mean, to give them credit, they're running really, really nicely, but yeah, I don't know how much I trust them. Weber's already like not quite as nice as a Mikuni, and these are kind of one knockoff down from that. So we'll see. I don't know. Other guys around them seem to have good luck. So we'll see for now. It's had some work done in regards to brake booster and stuff. Unfortunately, the engine bay was painted in like a Por 15, which I'm not really a big fan of. I'd love to get it painted the same color as the car, or eventually take the car back. This car is originally 919 yellow, so like there's probably not much for reminiscence, but this isn't really a good representation, but you can kind of see down there a very faint yellow color. And you guys can Google 919 yellow. Anyways, I do really like that color, but this blue does pop. So yeah, lots of cleanup on it, guys. We got to obviously get a rear bumper on it. I'm gonna put a different front bumper on. This is the original one, but it's a little bit dinged up. what else? Yeah, it's got the Nishimoto rad, which I'm not sure, I'll probably just leave in. We got to get the chrome back in both of the weather stripping, so there and here, and I have that, just got to go in. There's some really grungy tint, very clear, but like it's in rough shape on the inside of all the windows, so I got to strip all the tint off of it. Like I said, rear bumper, these wheels got to go. Yeah, guys, we're just gonna, you know, rock and roll on this thing and make it way cooler. It's gonna be lower, but not super slam, not like as low as the Ken Mary. I want this thing to be kind of reasonably, you know, able to drive. What else? Oh, we got some new window trim, because whoever removed this did it completely wrong, and as you can see, they completely bent the whole thing. Chances are they pried this way, and there's a very specific way to take this trim off we talked about in the other 240Z video, so somebody botched that, but we'll replace those. Yeah, guys, I don't know what else to say about it other than, like, I want to hear your guys' thoughts. I want, like, what would you like to see done to the car? You know, what kind of wheels do you think I ordered for it? And, you know, do you like these headlight covers? Should I get the cool ones with the chrome surround? Should I run no headlight covers? Kind of thinking about changing up the air dam as well. I'm not a big fan of this particular air dam. Not that it's like bad, but I think there's better options for this particular car. I'm thinking maybe the OEM lower valence with like a BRE style off the bottom. So yeah, I'm just kind of, this was more meant to be a bit of a tide you over video because I'm out of town, and I wasn't gonna be able to bring any 510 content to you. I'm on vacation for a little while, so, or will be on vacation for a little while then. So yeah, tell me what you guys think about this. And it's at home now, so we can start working on it. Oh, it's got the SW12. I think is it SW12? Yeah, somebody can correct me, but the Toyota front calipers swap on it as well. And yeah, what else? That's pretty much that's the main portion of it. Oh, it's been 5-speed swapped with the ZX tranny, I should say that, and it's running 6 into 1. I guess I gotta at least give you guys a little bit of a teaser. Let's fire it up. Electric fuel pump in it. The car is already warm, so it's idling a little low, but hopefully you got a bit of the sound of that exhaust. You can definitely hear the carbs sucking the air. Got to get some filters for them for sure. Yeah, guys, tell me what you think. Looking forward to your feedback and your thoughts on it. So, short little video for this week, but we'll bring you some good content on the 510 wagon. And as we start working on this, we'll also bring that content in next week as well. So, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next.